welcome to my channel. This is your boy, I Like Your Style. Before we continue, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your chillest analyst. Today I have great news for the whole South Africa, guys. You know what happened in the CAF Champions League and in the CAF Confederations Cup. Those are the great news, guys. Seeing our greatest football clubs, I'm talking Stellenbosch FC, Orlando Pirates, and also Mamelodi Sundowns. They did very well. I mean, last week we were eating joy in South Africa. So yeah, most of the people I saw, everybody was complaining about the fans and the technical managers of the opponents of the teams that were playing against the South African teams. So there were things that were happening in the stadium. So I'm not sure what was happening, but what I would like to do is to celebrate what was happening in South Africa, guys. What was happening, it was joy, guys, to see all three teams of South Africa go into the semi-finals. It has never happened before. I mean, like, I've never seen something like this. What a great year to be alive, guys. I mean, seeing Orlando Pirates doing the most. I think it's been 12 years since they've been in the CAF Champions League, guys. We know that the champions, Mamelodi Sundowns, they've been doing well. I mean, yes, they've been going consecutively in the semi-finals, in the quarterfinals. So they've been doing well. I mean, it's not really a surprise to see them being in the semi-finals against their opponents. So yes, guys, that is what I would like to share with you guys. And seeing Stellenbosch doing the most, guys. I mean, Stellenbosch, we saw Stellenbosch in the beginning of the season. They were doing very well. Stellenbosch, they were competing against winning. Remember, they won against Mamelodi Sundowns. They also won against the Orlando Pirates. So those are teams that they really showed us. So we're not surprised. We're not shocked that this is happening. Stellenbosch is doing the most. So yes, guys. But what was happening in the stadium, it is really what has shocked me, guys. It happened in both Mamelodi Sundowns Stadium, in their home ground, and also in the Orlando Pirates home ground, guys. The MC Alger supporters, guys, they were fighting Orlando Pirates supporters, and also they were trying to attack Orlando Pirates tactical managers. They also tried to attack Jose Riveiro, guys. So I don't know what's going on, guys. I saw it happening as well in Pretoria at Clockwork. I saw people trying to attack the Mamelodi Sundowns supporters and other people as well, whereby someone nearly lost a life, guys. So yes, so it's not good for football, guys, to see such things happening, guys, because I mean, if you can check Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns, and Stellenbosch, they won fair games. They won fair games, guys. I mean, Orlando Pirates beat those guys. So now these guys, they are fighting. They are saying that Orlando Pirates, the referee didn't ref that penalty. How is it so? How is it so? Because there's VAR. VAR can tell them that, hey, guys, no, go and check it. So guys, but it's unfair, guys. It's unfair. Anyway, it's not what I would want to discuss, guys. Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns, and Stellenbosch FC has really made South Africa proud, guys. So yes, guys. And also I saw that in the CAF Champions League, the Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns already have their opponents. So yes, I think Mamelodi Sundowns will be playing against Al Ahly, which will be a very, very tough game, that one, guys. So yeah, that is a very. So I don't know, guys. Do you guys see Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns in the final or what? Because if you can check, I heard so Vilakazi saying ufuna le iyengali and le iyengale. Yeah, so meaning he wants Orlando Pirates to go this way, and he also wants Mamelodi Sundowns to go this way, so that they can go and meet in the final. Is it what you also would like to see as a South African or what? So guys, please comment in the comment section, leave your comment there, and I'd know what you would like to see happening in the final. Or do you want Orlando Pirates to meet against Al Ahly, which we know that Al Ahly is a very tough opponent, especially when they are going to play against Mamelodi Sundowns. So, guys, it is very interesting semi-final, this one, and I hope that South African teams they do well in the CAF Champions League so that we can see what they have for us in the final. And as well, Stellenbosch, I want them to also beat their opponents so that they can go in the final. Yes, I know that Stellenbosch is a very tough opponent, guys, and it's a very I don't know how they built their team so fast, but yes, you can see that they have confidence. The boys, they know what they are doing, and they've been doing it now. I think Stellenbosch is one of the teams that they deserve their flowers, guys, like for real. Yeah. So yes, guys, I saw Orlando Pirates in their second match, which is the second leg of the of the quarterfinal. I saw them that they were playing a low block, which denied their opponents from scoring. They forced their opponents to play wide. So if their opponents play wide, they know that they're gonna push two players to go up, which is Dion and Van Rooyen as well. So he knew that those Dion and Van Rooyen are gonna make sure that they close those players very quick so that they don't kill Pirates. So that was as much as he also wanted to win, but he knew that he has an advantage of a goal. So even if he can just play low block or middle block, he knows that he's gonna win what we really need. So yes, guys, yeah. So anyway, this is things that Coach Jose Rivero has brought in the Orlando Pirates squad. That thing, the Ubuntu, that unity, guys. So yes, that's how Orlando Pirates managed to beat the MC Alger, guys. And then we are happy in South Africa, guys, to see Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns, Stellenbosch doing so well. So yes, that's one of the things that I would like to share with you guys so that you know that what has been happening, Orlando Pirates, Stellenbosch and Mamelodi Sundowns, they are all in the semi-final. So that thing is gonna bring us a light, guys. We need to watch those matches. We need to support those teams, guys. So yes, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for Chillest Analyst.